Testosterone influences our mood, our muscles, dopamine, mood, erection, and much more. When it's low, you get depression, loss of motivation, and fat gain. So let's increase it. The first thing is your posture. You need to take as much space as you can, not hide and seek hiding places. Be more open, keep your head up, and look forward, never on your feet. Even blind people, when they win a race, raise their hands above their heads. It's a symbol of winning. Second is about words. It's about what you repeat into yourself every single day. You need to repeat only good thing, like I can do this, I will do this, I will handle it, I deserve this. After repeating those words, your brain will start to believe what you are saying. Third is waking up with sunshine. Simply, our hormones work better when sunlight touches our skin and our eyes. Vitamin D starts producing and increases our testosterone level. So, be more confident with your body, repeat to yourself only good thing like a mantra, and wake up with the sunlight. Also, I have a Patreon with a guide on how to fix your hormones. Support me there.